In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsnoozed notifications on Slack. If your Slack has been quiet and you're missing pings, chances are notifications were snoozed. In a minute or two, I'll show you exactly how to bring them back on the desktop or web version of Slack using the built-in Do Not Disturb controls. Start by opening Slack and making sure you're on the home view of your workspace. This is the main screen where your sidebar shows channels, direct messages, and apps. If you see your usual list of conversations, you're in the right place. Next, move your cursor to the bottom left corner of Slack and click your profile picture or your name. That opens a small menu with quick settings for your account. This menu is the central place to manage status, profile options, and, importantly, your notification controls. If your notifications are currently snoozed, you might notice the bell icon showing a small indicator. Don't worry, we're about to clear that. In the menu, look for Pause Notifications and click it. You're not re-snoozing anything by doing this. Think of this as entering the Notifications Control panel. This panel is where Slack lists preset snooze durations, like 30 minutes or until tomorrow, and it's also where Slack puts the option you need to turn everything back on. Now, choose Resume Notifications. The moment you click Resume Notifications, Slack exits Do Not Disturb mode for this workspace, and alerts start coming in again as they normally would. You should see any snooze indicators disappear, and new messages or mentions will trigger notifications according to your existing preferences. If someone mentions you or a keyword you follow pops up, you'll be notified. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see resume notifications, that usually means you aren't snoozed right now. In that case, just close the panel. Your notifications are already active. If you are snoozed, ignore the preset time options in that panel and stick with resume notifications to unsnooze immediately. Also remember, Do Not Disturb is per workspace and typically applies across devices where you're signed in. So once you resume here, you should hear alerts wherever you use Slack. That's all there is to it. Open Slack Home, click your profile at the bottom left, select Pause Notifications to open the panel, then click Resume Notifications. With that, your Slack is back to tapping you on the shoulder when it matters. Thanks for watching, and enjoy being up to speed again.